Hey everyone, it's Wendy J coming to you live from the Aloha Media studio. I am the founder of, Aloha Media.
David Tucker, partner in crime and co-founder of Aloha Media, and also co-creator of a new product that we are launching called Ad Toasters.
Yeah, Ad Toasters are really cool. We're in beta right now, so it's pretty cool. Hopefully you can sign up and check it out. But we're going to use this video right now to tell you all about what Ad Toasters is and what you can do with it. So, yeah.
So Ad Toasters is a done-for-you ad creative service that is available on a subscription basis for a fixed monthly cost. And what that means is you get unlimited graphics for network advertising, programmatic advertising, retargeting, Google AdWords, social media advertising, and even some email applications, all for one fixed price. So you can A/B test to your heart's content. There's no limitations. And what do you have to add to that?
Well, I want to back up and say why we created Ad Toasters, because we found a lot of businesses missing opportunities to do more advertising. And as we looked at our own clients, that was one of the biggest things, is how they could get more creatives done on a monthly basis that were fresh, that were animated, that were in the modern formats, and they could rapidly get it out into their advertising channels. So after hearing that for the last few years, we're like, why don't we create a banner ad creative package? Because that's what our team, one of our specialties that we can do easily. So that's what we ended up doing, and it's why we found this solution for everyone that was having these issues, because it makes it so much easy. When you sign up, you can get monthly ad creatives for, you can run that 1 month, seasonal sale or event or holidays or upcoming and whatever. Every month you have something fresh, and so it's done for you. And it costs so much less than paying your current in-house graphic designer to do 15 different styles or 13 different styles or sizes for your own advertising platforms, from Google AdWords to Facebook and YouTube and all those. So this is so much easier for you, and that's why we decided to create this.
And that's spot on. So one of the things that's always frustrated me is rolling out a big campaign. You create a landing page, you create this graphic idea, and then the budget doesn't allow you to A/B test multiple versions of the ad, because that's it. They come up with a creative, this is it, and let's roll with it.
Yeah.
And we'll figure out what the sales were, 6 or 12 months down the road. With this, you can roll out immediately multiple versions. You can instantly test in your metrics what's working better. And so for essentially what the same amount of spend usually is for an ad campaign for ad creative, you're going to get the best version that's going to convert for the audience that you're targeting.
And the cool thing is with Ad Toasters, we do all of the modern ad formats for you. Like AMP, if you didn't know, is the latest new ad format that is required by Google AdWords. So you have to have that. So if you go to your in-house graphic designer and they're like, AMP, I don't know what you're talking about. We are up to date with all of that. So that's why Ad Toasters is so cool. It's so easy. It's like one price plan a month. You're done. You can send us in your graphics. You can send us in your ideas, and the project gets rolling. So you have a dedicated designer that's just right there for you, and customer service is top notch. We provide all of that for you. It's just, a cool solution. Also, if you have markets in other languages like Spanish or German or whatever, we do 163 language translations. So that is another cool plus for you for Ad Toasters, when you're out there advertising for different markets.
Absolutely.
And I do want to say, because we do animated ads, this is what stops the scroll. So if you're not using animated ads, we build that in for you. And what do I mean by animated ads? Is by the slide-in buttons, the animated text, the slide-in images, all that can be animated. Maybe you have several different images that pop on with different messages. So
even full-on short video. And so that's been one of the things, we get an advertising campaign going. The client sends us the creative. First of all, it's not animated, so it's not going to be as effective as possible. Second of all, often it's in the wrong format. It's too large. You try and upload it to Google AdWords, and it is beyond the limitations, the size limitations. It doesn't work, so we end up having to redo it. All of this is history because it'll be done right. You can have multiple revisions. It'll be in the most modern, fastest format, and you don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, and did we mention it's unlimited? I don't think we said that. So you've got unlimited ad banner sets for you every month. So if you want to do 2 or 3 to kind of test where your market's at or how it's going to do on Facebook or Instagram, and you want to use a few different images, I mean, we'll create those whole banner sets for you. It's a really cool product, so please sign up and check it out. We would love to hear your response and how it's working for you out there.
Last thing, it's a fixed price, so here it is, the new year. You're thinking about new budgets,
Yep.
and this, you just determine what the budget is, right? Because it's a fixed cost times 12 months. Boom, there you go. That's what it's going to cost you for your ad creative for the whole entire year, and you can move on to the next budget item.
Yeah, so we're talking under $500. So right now we have it marked at $497, and it's a really great price range that we found that it's easy for everybody to get in the door and get the creatives done and push it back out on your channels. So
Last thing, we've got an awesome team that does all of the creatives, and the turnaround time, how quickly?
we're about 3 to 5 days, sometimes 7 days, depending on how busy we are in the queue and if it's a holiday, like we just got through the holidays and such.
So we guarantee 7 business days, but you have the ability to put in a rush type order if you need it,
sure.
and we'll honor those whenever we can.
Yeah, for sure.
So the gnomes will be up all night long making ad creative.
So check it out. We love your feedback, and yeah, we hope to be able to do some really cool ad banner sets for you guys. So have fun with ad toasters out there. All right, everybody. See you later.
Aloha.
Aloha.